Hello everyone, I'm Toki. Today I'm going to introduce my Live 2D project, a first-person perspective video. I believe Live 2D can be used to make a 2D background become 3D, so I spent time figuring out how to make it possible. To make everything seem 3D, I used Procreate to design the room and imported it into Clip Studio Paint to make sure every object was organized. Then I tried to make a simple model first and zoom in on two things, the screen and the table. Both seemed to work successfully. For the animation I wanted to make, I chose to zoom in on the computer's screen. Therefore, I remade the whole model and added more detail to the drawing. Let me explain how I did each part. To add more details to make the scene look like a first-person perspective, I made the perimeter of X to demonstrate how we turn our head. Then I tried to model everything to make the scene look logical on the screen. I turned the room from two-point perspective to one-point perspective and zoomed in. Most of the objects have three sides that can be seen, so I modeled each side separately and copied the process for each object. As for the backpack, I used only one picture and changed the angles by editing art meshes. Therefore, it is not as stiff as other things like the table and the shelves. I drew two stars picture and make them move in the same direction, so I could keep them moving without going backward. For the light of the desk lamp, I used different mattes and multiple layers to make different objects appear to share the same light source. On the password page, I animated the bird so it could move like a mascot on the screen. As for the dots of password, I made each dot become visible as the perimeter grew larger. On the wiki page, I used a mask to make sure every word only showed on the screen. Then I made the mouse movable on the screen by defining its X and Y. This is for the room. Next, let me explain how I model the animation for the hands scrolling on the smartphone. I separated the hand into four parts, controlling each part by using four separate parameters. For the moon in the middle, I added a warp deformer to make the picture of the moon shrink at the side and magnify in the middle. Once the moon is moving, it looks like it is rotating. Lastly, I added these two projects into the same animation. By editing how everything moves, I created this animation project. Here is the result. I sincerely hope you like my project. Thank you very much.